Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda CB300R. This lightweight sport single just arrived with only 321 miles. Perfect condition, and this one's a special color, normally blue, but it's been switched to silver. So very unique 22 CB300R with ABS brakes, only 321 miles. Come on by, save hundreds off the price of new for just $54.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.